What is going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here. I am the passive income guru. I got some great news for you guys. And before I start, I want to wait till a few of you come on and want to see some of you. Great news coming up in the next couple of weeks, guys. So you definitely want to pay attention to this space. Make sure that you are following my Facebook profile first. Okay, I talked about that last night, because we're going to be rolling out some things and you want to pay attention. This is for your benefit. This is for your family's benefit. This is going to help you, going to help propel you into a new dimension in the new year. That's what we want to do, propel you into a new dimension, right? Not the old dimension last year. We're in the new dimension, okay? So the pre-launch date for our postcard program has been set. You guys excited? If you ain't excited, you better get excited, because it's about to go down. It's about to go down, guys. So I'm going to leave a link here. Once I'm done with this video, I don't want to be too long here. I'm going to leave a link. Make sure you register as soon as possible. I only have 100 seats. You want to be on this webinar because we're going to expose everything about our program. We're going to let you into the doors early. We're gonna break down all the logistics. Get this. I'm gonna give you a little taste of what we're gonna bring to you. We're gonna be doing 90% of the work for you. That's right, 90%, 90. You heard it right. We're gonna do 90% of the work for you, and it's gonna be phenomenal. We're gonna help you become a philanthropist this year. How about that? How about being able to step into your greatness this year? That's what we're going to help you do. All right? We're going to help you do that. What's up, everybody? I see some people tuning in here. What is going on? So, get excited, guys. Get excited. Like I said last night, I am ready. I'm ready. I'm more excited for you guys. I'm more excited for what you're about to experience. What we're going to help you do, how much money we're going to help you make, not us. We want to help you. Okay? And we're going to use the blessing principle. I talked about that last night too. We're going to bless many of you on certain times of the month, just different periods. Random people are going to get blessed. Now, I can't tell you what that's going to be, but it's going to be good. What is it, or how does it work? You got to get involved to understand how it works. And let me just say this. I'm going to guarantee you that our program is going to be different than most, if not all, direct mail programs out there. Let me put another bug in your ear. I told you that it's going to be 90%. All right? Everything done for you, 90%. That's true. How would you like to have... Listen up now. This is exciting. How would you like to have a place where you can go every single week or every single day, like a university, so to speak, okay? I'm talking about a membership site. A place where we're going to pretty much train you on how to become the ultimate direct mail entrepreneur. We're going to train you. Membership site. You can come. This particular site will give you so many resources, so many tools, and so many strategies that your success is going to be inevitable. All you got to do is plug in. Just plug in with us, stick with us, and your destiny will come to pass. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever your financial goals are, it will come to pass. No other direct mail company is doing this, guys. And guess what? Direct mail has been out for a very long time. Very long time. And I haven't seen it. What we're doing now, what we're going to do, I have not seen this. And remember, I've been in the direct mail space, guys, since 2014. So nobody's doing this. Nobody's going to train you on the back end. You know, most of these programs, they get you in. Tell me if I'm wrong, and tell me if I'm right too. They get you in and they say, okay, good luck. good luck. Good luck. Right? They get your money and they say, okay, go about your business. Good luck to you. Not us. We're going to do something different. We're going to invite you to partner with us. And then we're going to give you ongoing resources, ongoing training that is going to help you. Why do people go to college? People go to college to get the training and the education they need to be the best person in the workforce that they can be. We're going to give you ongoing training, tools, and resources and strategies so that you can be the best direct mail entrepreneur that you can be. It only makes sense. It's only logical for us to do that for you, right? It's only logical for us to do that for you. So who's ready for the webinar? Who's ready for the webinar? Who's ready to register right now? Let me see some hearts. Let me see some comments. Are you ready to register right now for this pre-launch? If you are, it's going to be exciting. Okay? I'm going to keep doing these videos, guys, and to stay in your face. Right? I had a nice testimonial today from a young lady. Called me and gave me the chills in a good way. I am happy that my words are traveling so far and wide that many people are being touched. They're being inspired. And remember, yesterday I told you my goal is to inspire one person a day. Just one. And by God's grace, he is able to multiply that into 100 and 1,000 fold. By his grace. He takes what I say because he gives me the words to say. He takes what I say and multiplies it. I just want to touch. My mindset is one. His mindset is millions, billions. And I'm going to keep talking until I can't talk anymore. So guys, look. You want to register for this webinar. You don't want to miss this webinar. You got to get your seat. I only have 100 seats. That's it. I only have 100 seats. So make sure you get your spot ASAP. I'm going to leave a link. Once I'm done with this live, you need to run like you never ran before to this link and get your spot. And make sure on that day you show up to the pre-launch because you don't want to miss the information that we're going to leak out to you. You got to get your spot. Okay? Because you're going to miss some time sensitive, some very valuable information if you're not on that webinar. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. Okay? All right. So here we go, guys. I'm looking at the comments here. Give me 1 second. I'm done. I'm done talking right now. I'm done talking right now. Says hi, brother. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to leave the link once I'm done with this webinar. What's up, David? Good to see you, bro. Travis, what's up, my man? Ray. Steven, what's going on, guys? I'm going to shoot it. I'm going to actually put the information here. Here in just a bit, okay? And I think my wife just walked in. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Honey, say hello to everybody. Say hello to everyone. Come say hello to everyone.
Why?
There she is.
Hi.
She is. Hey, guys. She is the main mastermind, guys. She is the main mastermind behind this thing. Believe it or not.
I am?
Yeah. You helped a lot in this project.
I gotta help the hubby.
All right, guys. Y'all ready for that link, huh? Y'all ready for that link I see? Thank you so much, Karen. You're so welcome. Thanks for sharing that with me today. That really touched me. Thank you so much. Shelly said I sound like Mr. Rogers. Oh my goodness. I sound like Mr. Rogers, Shelly? Hey, I guess I'll take that as a compliment, huh? Thank you. Shelly, what do you mean by blue personality? You said my wife is a blue personality. Thank you, Shelly. Thank you. All right, guys. Hey, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. I want to reemphasize again. You want to be there. Okay, there's plenty of time to register. As soon as I get off of this, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this video on YouTube, and then I'm going to blast out to my email list this same video. So people are going to be registering left and right. So you want to get your spot ASAP. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless.